Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make custard apple ice cream. Begin by selecting fragrant, ripe custard apples and chilling your mixing bowl. Split and scoop the pulp, remove seeds carefully, and taste for sweetness. Warm the cream and milk gently to dissolve sugar, then temper with egg yolks for richness. Cool the custard base fully in the fridge before churning for the creamiest results. Start by warming 2 cups heavy cream with 1 cup whole milk and a pinch of salt until steaming but not boiling. Whisk 3 egg yolks with 3/4 cup sugar until ribboned and pale, then slowly add a splash of warm milk to temper. Return the tempered yolks into the pot and cook on low until the mixture coats the back of a spoon. Strain and cool the custard before folding in custard apple pulp. Pour the fully chilled custard base into your ice cream maker and churn until soft serve consistency, following the machine's timing. When close to done, gently fold in the strained custard apple pulp so the fruit is evenly distributed without overworking air. Pack the churned ice cream into a shallow airtight container, press plastic directly on the surface to prevent ice crystals, and freeze for at least 4 hours until scoopable and firm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.